Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for Sarciadong Isda. Here are the ingredients. Tilapia or any fish of your choice, salt, black pepper, sliced lemon, cooking oil, garlic, diced onion, diced parsley optional, green scallion, diced tomatoes, eggs, patis or fish sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder or fresh ginger, water. First, brine the fish in a salt and water solution for 30 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly and pat dry with paper towels. Salt the fish inside and out. And squeeze lemon juice over it to eliminate any fish smell. Pat dry again with paper towels before frying. Fry for 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Place the fried fish on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. In another pan, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Sauté 6 cloves of diced garlic, diced onions, and diced parsley until translucent. Add 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder or fresh ginger. Follow with 1 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce. Cover and let it boil for a minute. Place the fried tilapia in the sauce, allowing it to soak up the flavors for 2 to 3 minutes. Beat 2 eggs and pour them onto the sauce in one spot to cook without dominating the entire dish. Gently distribute some cooked egg on top of the fish without overcooking. Sprinkle the remaining green scallions on top of the fish before serving Sarciadong tilapia. Enjoy! I hope you liked my video. hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.